Jumatano hwaini niguo Inoro TV turamurikire gitangiko kia Kenya magietha maratathi ma thirikari ta ibande, passport, good conduct na ingi, na Minister Kithure Kindiki agicokia ciuria cia kamiti ya bunge ya urumwe wa Itaru ni aiguite mukayo wa muingi.
Part of our problem in the processing of passport is a corruption problem. And in my second accountability statement, which I gave in May, I admitted we have a problem with immigration.
Kindiki riu akiorota maabithaa ruhonge rwa thama wabici-inĩ iria ikoragwo Nyayo House Nairobi, akiuga a Kenya makoretwo makiarithio raini ndaihu kuma ruciinĩ kinyagia utuku matekuheo utungata wa ibande na passport kinyagia marute mahaki.
I'll spend a bit more time physically to provide the leadership that we require and clean up that Nyayo House place. Many Kenyans have suffered from that place. If need be, we'll seal off the place and declare it a scene of crime. Because you cannot have a public office where people, I have sometimes done impromptu visits there at very odd hours. As early as 6 a.m., you'll find Kenyans queuing all the way to Teleposta. I don't know, it's a bad image. And so we will rid that place of all criminals, including the brokers who extort money around there.
Gukinyiria riu kuringana na thirikari, Akenya 58,000 ni moritie maheo passport, no ruhonge rwa thama ruracaba passport 5,000 tu o muthenya, ona rurutite wira utuku na muthenya. Kindiki akiranira guteithura na uthayo uyu wa Nyayo House na passport ciriumagana thiku 7 cikurukio kinyagia thiku 3 na passport cia hinahi ciriumagana mathaa 24 na ibande cikauma na thiku 21.
I was in Moyale 2 months ago, and I was shocked that there are children there who are 21. They applied for IDs at 18 and 3 years until now. They do not have identity cards.
Kindiki augite mihinga yothe ya barabara iria igagwo ni borithi ni kweherio gugikinyiria mweri wa 11 mwaka uyu, agititirithia ati ikereka ria keri ria firigisheni ya kuhitana na ekina ya njuragano na uici wa mahiu kaunti-inĩ 6 cia Rift Valley rirajiriria mweri-inĩ ukite wa kenda, akiuga gukinyiria riu micinga 200 ni coketio, gicunjĩ kia 78 harĩ 100 kia mahiu maiyo ni maracokio, wĩkinaĩ riu uri gicunjĩ kia 5 tu harĩ 100, na thigari cia muhohio 257 ni ciandĩkĩtwo guteithĩrĩria gucokereria ugitĩri mwena ũcio.